So we are back with a brand new item. This time we're checking out another wireless gaming keyboard. This is the model PC302A. Let's open this up and check out what comes inside and how it works. Tape and then there you go. Cables there. Okay, so some good foam padding on the sides to protect it from getting damaged. And a manual. So we got a USB-C dongle there. We got feet that pop out. Let's give it an angle for popping. Then we've got a USB-C to USB-A power cord. Connection is right here. Now it's a wireless keyboard, but I don't see any battery spots, so I'm guessing that this thing charges with USB-C. That powers it up, and then you're able to connect this to a computer with either the dongle or Bluetooth. On button. So on top of it being a full-size keyboard with the numerical keypad here, which is a big thing for me because I love having a 10 key, the device does function with additional commands like volume up, volume down, mute. You've got your media buttons here with media access, play, back, forward, stop, pause, of course, as well. You've got a full function keyboard, your print ski keys, and your additional insert, home, page up, page down, and delete keys. These are also very important though because they do work with the function key to control the lighting, which we'll show you in a second. With this keyboard, you have an RGB neon mode, which we'll show. You can also have single color mode. You can also do RGB mode with light constantly changing. You can do it breathing mode, where like it has like a pulsing up and down effect. You can turn backlight on or off. You can also increase the brightness, decrease the brightness with the directional keys, and then you can use the additional keys for page up, page down, or choose for left and right, specifically to speed up and decrease the changing of the colors for the changing features. You do have your Windows key right here and your traditional kind of style, but what we're going to do is we're going to take this, let's plug this in, get you some power so you can see what it actually looks like. We'll be back. Hopefully you guys found that keyboard interesting. Hopefully you pick up one for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.